when I was a student, there's something I usually do. I would tell my friends that today I'm going to study microbiology, and that's it, and I'm not studying any other thing because I just discovered that I'm lagging behind in microbiology. So that day is just for microbiology, and from morning till night I'm bent on studying microbiology. I did that for some time, but I discovered that immediately I left microbiology to another thing, I tend to forget almost everything I've read in microbiology. And I didn't notice that in just microbiology. I noticed that it kept happening to me even in other courses like pharmacology. I'll be like, okay, today is pharmacology day. I'll read a lot in pharmacology, and then the next day will be pathology day. I'll read everything in pathology the next day, and that will keep happening until I was bored. I was like, I can't continue doing this. I can't continue going through this cycle of reading and forgetting and reading again and forgetting again and reading again and forgetting again. I need to do something, and I need to do it fast. Hence, I'll fail. And that was how I was going through a book. Okay, I'll even recommend that book to most of us. If you can get that book, that will help you. Because I was going through a book, How Masters Learn by Dr. Gideon Obiaso. I was going through the book, and I stumbled upon interleaved practice. I was like, wow, what is interleaved practice? How does it work? What's that? I was curious, so I got the book and I opened and I started reading about it, and I discovered that it is just you trying to mix up subjects while studying. Like, I'm studying anatomy today, and after studying anatomy for some time, I should drop anatomy and study something else, biochemistry, or I can study maybe closely related topics. I can choose to study them together. At the point I was like, this is a form of distraction. How can I be mixing up things? Won't it confuse my brain? Won't it be hard? Won't it be time consuming studying anatomy this morning and then studying this one again? My timetable is fixed to study pharmacology or to study this. Is it that this or this? I was a disciplined student, and I have my timetable that was not ready to alter for anybody. Talk more of one technique I just saw in a book. Anyway, but then the person that wrote the book was not just an ordinary person. I saw results in his life, so I had to go Google about interleaved practice, watch video on that, how does it work, the scientific proof of how that can help me retain, and then I just discovered that this is actually what I needed, and I started it. And of course, I don't hoard information. I'm going to share with you what interleaved practice is all about and how it helped my study life. So stay to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so that they will get value the way you're about to get value right now. And I'm so about it, and I'm excited to share with you. So let's go. Just as promised, interleaved study is a process where students mix multiple topics, subjects while studying in order to improve learning process. So why do you think interleaved practice is very important? The first thing I got from my research was that interleaved practice can help in categorization and problem solving, and it helps you to link two things together. For example, I'm studying the anatomy of the heart, and then I'm studying physiology of the heart. They are just two different things. I have seen how the heart is formed. Imagine studying the physiology of the heart, how the right ventricles pumps blood, how the left ventricle pumps to this, how... If I didn't study anatomy, of course, I wouldn't know where the left ventricles were and all. So it helped me at that particular point to recognize the similarities, the differences between the two things I'm studying, and how to apply it in problem solving. When you're studying different topics that are related in some way, it can help you to be analytical and thinking, begin to compare things you see with environment, and much more importantly, it helps in long-term memory. This interleaved practice helps you to see something in different perspective, in different aspects, and it helps your judgment over a particular thing. It helps you figure out how to link two things together, how to connect things together. Okay, and I believe that as a medical doctor, things they teach us in school should be linked together. You get this from this from this. So if you're as an engineer, if you're studying maths 101 and you're studying this one, I believe they are kind of linked together. So when you study like that, you see the similarities, you appreciate the differences, you compare, you contrast, and it will help you to retain more. Wait, don't run away yet with this information. I know students, I know you, I know my family very well, and I know how they think. They are very smart, yes, but they also like to relax a lot. Interleaved practice is not a method that will make you to relax once you are bored, once you are tired, or maybe you are studying and you encounter something difficult. Instead of you to face it and trash it out before going to another topic, you close it. Dr. Nia has taught me interleaved practice, and I'm going to leave this particular course for another one. So while studying and you encounter something difficult, please, before you interleave, before you leave that thing to study another subject, make sure you settle that issue. Watch video, Google the meaning, sort it out first, so that when you are leaving that topic, you are leaving that course settled before you enter another one. Don't leave that one because you found something that you couldn't understand and you just dump it. It's over after yourself. Your time don't pass. May I go do interleaving practice? No. Settle the first one you're studying. Once you settle it, you can then start with the next one, so that you don't leave things. You don't keep packing things. Work for yourself. Okay, so interleaved practice is very important. It's wonderful, and I tried that, and you can also try that. Bye, wonderful family. See you next week, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment too. Let me see how the video has helped you. Let me see how it has helped you. Bye.